We're excited to announce the launch of All In Aviation Maintenance. Although the name is new, the business is not. We've been in the Las Vegas Valley since 1999 and built on the legacy of Mountain Aviation and Kenny Sherrato.
At All In Aviation Maintenance, we put emphasis on safety, customer service, communication, and consistency.
With over 40 years of experience, we can provide a solution for any kind of maintenance need on your aircraft. Whether that is a simple oil change on your aircraft, an annual inspection, or if you need some deep structural repair. All In Aviation has the experience to meet any of your aircraft needs.
We want to deliver the best maintenance on the West Coast so that you can rest assured when you put your family in the plane, you've got an aircraft that's not only airworthy, but it's buttoned up tight. I think what I really want to focus on is those high-performance, late-model, owner-flown aircraft. We're excited to bring everything together under the All In Aviation family, and we look forward to serving your aviation maintenance needs.